Hi guys, guess who it is? You didn't see me in a very long time. I'm Cousin Joni, and you know what? I was gonna leave that bitch alone. Patty Fody, my cousin, my special cousin. Oh yeah, she's so special. But guess what? I'm so sick and tired of hearing all the good things about her. Now she has a special blog on Sunday. Fashion tips for Patty Fody. She thinks she knows it all. Fashion tips my butt. I have my own fashion tips. And you know what? I'm sick of her. I'm so sick of her. Everybody listening to her. Oh, this is in the short skirts. This is in the bandanas. This isn't how you put in your makeup. This isn't how you do this. This is how you pump up your boobies and make big cleavage. Please, don't listen to her all the time. She don't know freaking everything. She's getting this big following now, Mama Fody, Patty Fody. Fig her. You know what? I got some fashion tips. You think I don't know anything? Look at this. This is fashion. Look, you tie up your hair, you're scrunching it up. Look. Now that's fashion. Look. You go out in the street, you think everybody has this? No. That's fashion. People like spiked up hair. People like color. Oh, she don't like colors mixed together. She don't like polka dots and flowers. She don't like this. I like to mix my colors, girls and boys. Look at that. Yellow, pink. Look, I put blue dye in my hair. Look. And I'm a multi-purpose person, honey. Look, when I have my eyeliner, I use my eyeliner. I use it on my lips. I use it on my hair. I use it 3 different ways. She said, use this for this, use it for this. Mix it up, people. Mix it up. Don't just listen to her. Look, I got leopard hair, pink hair, blue hair. Whatever you want to do, mix it up. Look, you see my eyeliner, people? Look, I make 2 different lines. One up here like this. Then you make another line here like this. Now look at that. Now that's what you call fashion. I think that's beautiful. Look at that. Maybe it's a little too long, but it still looks fine. When you walk down the street, somebody's going to notice you. Cousin Joni knows a little bit, okay? And you got to darken the eyes a little bit. Oh, my. I think I made a little mistake there. Yeah, okay. A little bit. Look, put it on your hair. Make a little blue color. Come on. Put it in your hair. Look. Little color here and there. It looks nice. People everywhere is putting the pink, putting blues in their hair, putting all different colors in their hair. I think it looks cute. As long as you don't overdo it, I think it looks fun. So if you wanted some good tips, come to me. Cousin Joni knows it all. She don't know it all, Patty Fody. So yeah, Joni's here. She wants to show you a little bit. It's not all for her. She's not the best special one. You like my bow tie? Look, that's also multi-purpose. Wear it as your bow tie. You can put it in your hair like this and look real cute. Look at that. Look at that. I like it, right? You can wear it in your hair. You can wear it on your neck. Oh, look at my glasses. Ooh. You can wear it on your neck. You can wear it on your hair. You can change this. Look at this, you can check. I could wear this as a bow tie. Look at that. Look at that. Multi-purpose, guys. There's so many things that's multi-purpose. Get out there, shop. Look at that. Do like me, Cousin Joni. She knows a little bit something. Don't always think Patty Fody's #1 and the best. Cousin Joni's got little things up her sleeve, too. Look, you could do so many things with this. I could put this in my hair like this. Get another one wear one on each side. I think it looks so cool. Who you kidding, Patty Fody? I got it going on too. So remember Cousin Joni? She's here once in a while. I'm gonna come back because you know what? She can't have all the people looking for her. I'm cool too. Okay? So I'm here just to show you